A few things about trig that you need to know before we start. You've learned all about tan x, sin x and cos x in the past. You know how they relate to right-angled triangles. You know what the graphs of those three things look like and how sin x and cos x are connected to each other. There are a few other important things to know. As we just looked at before, we just proved that tan x is the same as or is equal to sin x divided by cos x. But there's also some other trig real numbers that you don't know about. There's something called sec x. Secant, or sec of x, is the same as 1 over cos of x. Cosec of x, cosecant, is the same as 1 over sine of x. And also cot of x, cotangent, is the same as 1 over tan of x. Those are important things to remember and will be useful in the future. Good maths involves being able to prove that various things are true. One of the things that we're going to start doing is using those basic identities we've looked at before to prove other trig identities. And proving things involves manipulating what we have and what we know to get the formula that we're looking for. So the first one we're going to look at here is 1 plus cot squared x is equal to cosec squared x. So because those have got squared values in them, I'm going to start by looking at one of the identities I know. Sin squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. How is that going to help me? Well, if I take this equation and divide everything by sin squared x, and as long as I do the same thing to all parts of the equation, then it's equal, I can now see that I've got sin squared x divided by sin squared x, which is just 1. I've got cos squared x divided by sin squared x. Well, we know that tan is sine over cos, so therefore this must be 1 over tan squared of x. And I know that 1 over sine of x is cosec, so 1 over sine squared of x must be cosec squared x. Nearly there. As you can see, I've got 1 over tan squared x, and I know that 1 over tan is cot, so 1 over tan squared x must be cot squared x. And there we have the identity at the top, proven. I can also manipulate this by changing the equation around so that I can get cot squared x is equal to cosec squared x minus 1, or I could get cosec squared x minus cot squared x is equal to 1.